Content creators, where are we? Today, I'm doing something completely out of my usual niche. Away from intellectual property, education, or tech, let's talk about something different but deeply real. Hashtag content creation. To the content creators in the house, LinkedIn buddies, TikTokers, YouTubers, IG creators, wherever you show up online, honestly, this is for you. I'm calling this 10 Truths about being a content creator based on my observation. Let's see if these resonate. But before I do so, please click the like and subscribe button below to get more notifications. 1. Burnout culture. Thinking of what to post, how to say it, what works where. It's mentally exhausting. From scripting to editing to posting ... Content fatigue is real. If this is true, content creators, let me know in the comments. 2. Creating for likes or legacy. Sometimes you ask, am I doing this to impact? Or am I chasing likes? One low engagement post and your whole confidence is shaking. Be honest. Do you feel this? 3. Fear of being forgotten. The pressure to stay relevant is crazy. You constantly want to show up, stay visible, and remain memorable. It's a silent fear. If this is true, say it in the comments. 4. It can get lonely, especially when you're building something and the support isn't always there. It's a quiet grind and the loneliness. ... Deep. 5. The algorithm stops favoring you. You could be doing everything right and still not get seen, especially if you haven't built a strong audience yet. TikTok, LinkedIn, IG ... The algorithm doesn't always play fair. Now, I'm not going to pretend to be a content guru. So here's the task. I've shared 1 to 5 truths. Content creators, complete it for me. Drop numbers 6 to 10 in the comments. Let's make this a real conversation. If this resonates and you want more real talk like this, then stay tuned for by following Anita_educates. Let's talk life, not just niche.